Hello and welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, irrespective of where you are watching this video from. I'm Banem Alame Rashid. On this particular video, I'm going to take you through to learn how to create a portfolio website using Canva. So without a doubt, I'm going to show you how to create a website, and also I'm going to show you some tips that you didn't know about in Canva. Please, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. And also share this channel to someone who wants to learn and grow. And also, please watch this video from very beginning to the end, because I'm going to share some tips and some navigation that you can do in Canva that you didn't know before, that other tutors didn't show you. So I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about creating website in Canva. So you don't have any doubt on this tutorial, just watch the tutorial. And also, if you have any question, just drop your question on the comment section. I will surely reply your question. And also like this video so that it will go viral on YouTube to have more views, so that is the best way to help us to reach more people on YouTube. So all you need to do is to open your Canva mobile app or Canva web version, then you are good to go. Slide this particular place that you have a website, just click on the website. You may find variety of templates over there. You can see business website, portfolio website, event website, education, retail, and so much more. But for the sake of this particular tutorial, we are going to choose a portfolio website. So click on portfolio website and then wait for the template to open. We are going to customize the template to be our own portfolio website. So I'm going to click on this one, this Jasmine Fedraza. So I'm going to use that particular one and edit it to make it our own portfolio website. So all you need to do is to just, after opening it, just click on this particular text and then input your name. Let me input my name. Yes, then you are good to go, just like that. And then you can see it is a fashion photography portfolio, but we are not a fashion photography. I'm a creative designer, so I'm going to input creative designer. I'm going to input some of my works I did for creative designer portfolio. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to delete this image and upload image of mine. So click on this delete and then head over to plus button and come to element. After getting to element, just click on this particular square shape and then click on it and then increase the size of it, just like that. I hope you understand me. Just increase it to be something very good and amazing, just like this. Then you are good to go. And then head over to plus button and go to upload and input our picture. So we are almost done with the page one. So I'm going to use my picture. Yes, so I'm going to input it in this particular place. So you can see I upload the picture, but if you can see, I don't have a good color combination because my picture is blue. So I need to customize it to make it something black so that it won't affect my color combination in the website. So just click on the picture and then head over to adjust and then reduce the saturation to maybe -50 can be good, and then increase the contrast to 14 or 15. Just leave it like that. You can see now the picture is not automatic blue. I have turned it to something else so that it can relate with the colors I'm using. So you need to know that before you create a website. That's why I say you need to watch this particular video from very beginning to the end, because I have a lot of things to show you on this particular video. And also for this get in touch, you may see people are having get in touch on their website, and when you click on that link, when you click on that particular button, it will redirect you to somewhere else they want the input. So I'm going to show you how to embed a link and on this particular get in touch. All you need to do is to click on it and then click on this particular three dot and then move aside. You may find link. So click on that particular link and input your WhatsApp link or your Facebook link or let me input my Facebook link, facebook.com/alamerashid21. So I will test it after we finish creating the website. You will get to see what I'm trying to tell you. When someone click on this get in touch on my website, it will surely redirect him to that particular Facebook account, and I will show you after we created the website successfully. So let us head over to the second page. As we created the first page, all you need to do is to delete this particular image as we didn't need it. So come to element and then search for frames, After searching for friends, just click on the see all and then scroll down. We are going to use this particular frame, yes, and then increase the size of it, just like that, and take it to this side. And then I'm going to use my picture, yes, I'm going to use my picture to replace that. So I'm going to use this particular picture, but before using it I need to remove the background of it. I'm using Canva Pro account. As a Canva Pro user, you may not be able to remove the background of your picture, so you need to have a Canva Pro account, or maybe you can use Photo Room or remove.bg. You can use that to remove the background of your picture and then upload them into Canva without the background. So you can see, as for now, the background of the picture is already removed, so it is turning back. So let me just go to effect again and click on remove background. It will surely be removed right now. So if you are you can see the background is now removed. So I can just click on color and then change the color of it to be this color, so that I can have something bright and okay. So I'm double clicking the picture to crop it to be something bigger. I hope you understand me. So this is really good and amazing. As for the picture, I'm going to adjust also to reduce the saturation, so that the picture cannot have the automatic color he is having. And I'm going to increase the saturation, reduce the saturation, and increase the contrast, just like that, and the picture is having colors different. So for this particular place, I'm going to click on this text and then ungroup them, and then take this one up a little bit. I hope you understand me. And then come over and remove this particular artist biography and just leave it as biography, and then click on this particular text. I have some of my text about my biography write it already, so I don't have to write it right now. So I'll just have it just like that, and then let me increase the size of it to be something amazing so that it can be readable. So for me, I will just go to format and change the format to be full paragraph. I hope you understand me. Full line paragraph. You can see this is really amazing and beautiful. So, and also if I want, I can just increase the size of the biography so that it can, and make sure you follow alignment. You can see I'm having a good alignment of my design. So as for this page, we are finished. We are going next to the other page again. You can see this particular template, they have input a lot of work they have done before, because this is a photography portfolio. So you can see they are having a lot of pictures that they have taken before. So I'm gonna delete everything. I'm gonna input my own designs, because I'm a creative designer. So I'm gonna input designs instead of the photography. So I have them, I think, already uploaded on Canva. So all I need to do is to just head over to my plus button and then come to upload. Let me just use this particular flyer and then leave it like that. Hope you understand me. Let me use 2 to 3. Yes, let me scroll down and get another one to use. Let me just scroll down. I'll surely get a good flyer to use. Yes, let me just click on this one and then reduce the size of it to be aligned with the other one. I hope you understand me. Just align it with the other one, and then I'm good to go like that. I can just click on this plus button again and find another one. If I have the only two, I'll just leave the page like that and move on. So let me just select this one. Yes, and then input it under this one, and then head over to plus button again. Let me just scroll down and find some to use. I hope you understand me. Let me just find some to use. Yes, let me just use this one. So I upload 4 flyers like this. So I will just leave it just like that, and if I have some other ones, I will just upload them here. So let me just see if I can get another one to upload. Here are some of my future works that I do but they are not part of my things that I do. I'm just trying to show you. Up understand me. On this website, I'm just trying to input them to fill the space. So let me just use this one also to input it in this particular place. Yes, so let me just leave it like that, and then use this particular one. Let me bring it here. Okay, so I can just, if to say I did this in 2021 or 2022, or for the name of the brand, I hope you understand me. You can just keep inputting that. Let me say 04 how many I input. There are 5. I can say tech digital app, understand me. You just need to have something beautiful, 2022, and then I add number 5 to be a big game. It's a big game. I hope you understand me. I'm just trying to show you I'm not just customizing everything. You can do that for yourself. So you can see I have everything really good and amazing over there. So let us head over to the next page. As you already know that this is a portfolio for photography, so you may have everything in photography. So I'm going to click on this particular image and then click on delete. I hope you understand me. I don't need it. And I'm changing the color of this particular place to this color. I hope you understand me. And then also I'm going to click on replace. Click on replace. I replace it with that particular picture we have, our picture. So this is my picture. I'm going to use it and I'm going to double click to crop it and then move it aside so that my text can be bright and okay to see. You can see my text and you can see they are having their name. Jasmine has a unique style and it is true professional. So I'm going to input my name, Alamin. Up understand me, Alamira Sheet as a so and so on. And you can see the name of the client, saying that you can just customize the name of the client if you have a client that says so and so about you. So I'm gonna just take it down like this and increase the size of it a little bit, and here you go. And then let me just increase it. Yes, and then let me just head over to reduce the saturation and increase the contrast, just like that. After understand, to make it more beautiful, and then head over to the next page. And also on this particular page, they input their own portfolio images they take, because you already know that this is a photography portfolio. We are customizing and changing back to graphic design portfolio. So I have some videos that I created in Canva and also on my YouTube. So let me just use my YouTube videos. Let me just upload them. As I have said earlier, I'm going to show you some things that you didn't know before. Maybe you don't know how to embed your video from YouTube to Canva. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So just delete this particular image. Just delete the image like that. And then I'm going to ungroup this and delete this particular down text. I'm going to input my own tutorials because I have some tutorials. So my YouTube videos, I have to understand me. So as a designer, so I'm going to input my YouTube videos and then click on it and zoom in to reduce the space, because there are a lot of space. I don't need it to have it just like that. And then head over to format and click on bold to make the text to be bold, and increase the size of it and input it over there. Make sure it is on the middle, and then head over to format and make it to be in the center paragraph. So you are good to go just like that. And then head over to plus button and move aside. You may find apps. Just click on these apps and search for YouTube. I understand, just search for YouTube. When you come to apps on the search bar, search for YouTube, and you can see I have already connected my YouTube. I will just search for the things I need. Let me just search for Alamera Sheet and get to see. You'll see a welcome video to my channel. So I add that particular things in this place. Yes, so let me just add it like that and add another one. If I like, I will add this particular new tutorial I have on my YouTube channel and then reduce it just like that. Yes, so this is beautiful. And if I like, I can just search for another ones to add. Let me just search for another, because I need to have like 4 in Canva. Yes, so I'm dealing with Canva. You can just subscribe to my channel, as I am showing you everything about smartphone graphic design. I'm gonna input more of things. I understand. I'm gonna drop some things more. I'm gonna go for Pixel Lab also in some days from now on. So I'll just use Notch to take it down a little bit, and then head over again to that particular place and add more of your videos. So I'm gonna search for webinar flyer design in Canva. I have my flyer design in Canva. So let me just scroll down. This is the video I have. I'll just reduce the size of it to be something similar to the other one. You can see I'm having a good alignment on my design. So you are good to go. Just like that, you have 4 of your BDS in this particular tab, on this particular slide. So let us just move to the last page. So on this particular last page, I'm gonna input my picture also on this place. So let me just input one of my picture. So let me just remove the background of the picture because I don't need it for the background. So let me just increase it to be something like that. I hope you understand me. And then let me just change the color of it to be this color. Yes, and then let me use the picture. Or maybe let me just leave it like that because we are going for, let us just rechange the size, rechange the color, the picture. Let me just search for graphic design. Yes, maybe I can just use this one. Yes, maybe I can just use this particular one, and then get in touch. You may just come over here to change your address. Let me just ungroup and change your address. I hope you understand me. Maybe I have my own website. I can just input https. This is one of my websites, and then alamirasheed.com.ng. And one more, I'm going to show you the things that I said earlier, but we need to come to the end of this video so that you will get to know that particular things. I don't want to rush things to go there and we didn't finish this. So you can just input your address. Maybe I'm from Jigawa, Nigeria, so I can just input Jigawa, Nigeria. So this is it, Jigawa State, Nigeria. Maybe I'll just input that. So you can find me in Jigawa State, Nigeria. Here's my website. And for the email, this is it. Just click on this particular send email and click on this 3 dot and come to link. I hope you understand me. And then input the link of your email. Maybe I'll just input alamirasheed@gmail.com. I hope you understand. I can just input that. So when someone click on that, it will surely redirect him to my email. I hope you understand me. And also, if you have some social media accounts, you can just input them down there. Let me show you how to do that, because I can see on this particular template they didn't use any social media. So all you need to do is to just come over to this particular element and search for Facebook. Yes, you can select anyone, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to use this one, as you cannot use it because you are not a Canva Pro user. You can just select the ordinary ones, because I want to change the color of them and I want to have a good quality, because this one is having more quality than the other ones. That's why I prefer to use it as a Canva Pro user. So just input it to be somewhere beautiful and then change the color of it to be this color. I hope you understand me. And then head over to this plus button also and click on Instagram. They will surely give you recommendations of that particular, the same Facebook, YouTube. So they will surely give you the same template for Instagram, for Facebook, for Twitter. I hope you understand, and many more. Let me just get back. You may get to see it. Just click on this. You can see a lot of them. So I'm gonna use LinkedIn also to embed my LinkedIn profile. So I'm gonna use LinkedIn also. So this is it. Just make sure you align everything clearly. Yes, align them to be clearly. Yes, and then head over to plus button once again and find, maybe I will just select YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. I can just select YouTube. Yes, I can just reduce the size of it to be something very beautiful, and then take it to this side and then have it like that. And one more thing, let me show you something. Maybe you have it somewhere like this. I hope you understand me. You have them somewhere like this. Some is going down and some is here. I hope you understand me. So you need to align them. What you need to do is to just click on this one, press and hold, select multiple, select this one, and then click on cancel and go to position. After going to position, just click on align. You can see, click on spacing, you can see vertically, horizontally, and tidy up. You can see this is very beautiful vertically, so you can see this is really nice and amazing. You have them both on the same size and on the same vertically and horizontally, they are the same. Hope you understand me. So this is how to do that when you have something that is not very aligned. So what you need to do now is to click on Facebook and then click on this three dot also, and you may find link. Just input your Facebook link. Hope you understand me. facebook.com/alamirashid21. Yes, for the Facebook I have embedded the link, and then click on this one and also embed the link like that. For Instagram, I'll just input instagram.com/alamirashid21 also. And also for LinkedIn, just click on three dot and input your LinkedIn profile, linkedin.com/in/alamirashid21. So I'm gonna use this for my LinkedIn. And then for YouTube, just click on this and click on three dots and click on link, and you input youtube.com/alamirashid21. So I'm using the same username for all the social media handles. And after finishing this, we are going to test everything to see if it works. I hope you understand me. So I think we have already created everything for this particular website. We are going to test it and see. And for this, let me show you something. We input a website and we want it to be very clickable. So you can just duplicate the text just like that and then delete this particular website. I hope you understand me. Let me just delete the website because I want the website to be clickable. So I can just leave the Jigawa State Nigeria and delete Jigawa State Nigeria from here. Jigawa State Nigeria, you can see it, and input that HTTPS, and then make sure you align it very clearly, and then click on it and go to and click on three dot and link it also. I hope you understand me. Link it with that particular website. I can just say alamirashid.com.ng. Yes, so I can just leave it like that. When someone just click on it, it will surely redirect him to that particular website. So this is it for that. So after doing all this, what do you need to do next? It's to just publish your website. So how to publish your website? It's by just clicking on this particular eye. You may find that particular eye. So let me show you something else on this particular place, and then before we publish website, we will get back to that. So let us wait for it. It's network issue. It will surely open right now. Wow. Okay, so you can see it over there. The website has already opened. You can see we have home, we have about, we have gallery, we have contact. I hope you understand me. This is the gallery. We have contact option. So let's assume you want to change this gallery to services, or maybe you want to change the name of the gallery to portfolio or services or anything you want. I hope you understand me. I'm going to show you also how to do that. And if you don't want to have those particular navigations, you can just remove without navigation. Let us take a look at the website without navigation. You can see it is just Alamirashid and then so and so on. So this is the end of the website. I hope you understand me. So just leave it with navigation. It can be more beautiful like that. Okay. And now what next for us is to just get back to that particular place. I'm trying to show you how to know where to change this gallery and contact and about. I hope you understand me. So let us just get back to there. So click on this particular slide for gallery. And one more thing, if you don't have your view like mine, just click on three dots up there and then click on view setting and make sure you are on thumbnail view. You can see now I don't have anything. So just click on three dots and click on view setting and click on fetch thumbnail, show page thumbnail, and then click on the slide and then move aside and click on three dots. You may move again and find notes, and then you can see the place. You can change this from gallery to something else. Let us change it to services. Yes, let me just leave it like that, services. So I have already changed it. So let us take a look at it right now. Instead of the gallery, you may find it as services. You can see it over there. It is already changed. So that is how to do that in Canva without wasting of your time. So I think that's all I'm gonna show you for that. So let us just publish this particular website right now. We are ready to do that right now. You can see it. And also let me explain something here. For the resize on mobile, if you didn't click resize on mobile, everyone is going to have this website looking like this, and it is pretty, and some people cannot read some things because their eyes are having problem. All the texts are very small to read. Up, understand me? That's why we tick this particular option, resize on mobile. So when someone open the website using a mobile phone, up, understand me, a Android or iPhone or tablet, they will surely have it like that. But when she open it with tablet or computer or laptop or desktop, they will have it on this particular view automatically. They will not have it on the resize on mobile, because it is only on mobile the website can be resized. So I think that's all I'm going to explain on this particular tab. So let us just head over to the publishing of the website. So click on this particular publish, and then after clicking on it, what do you need to do? You can see the website on computer. Let us wait. You can see it on tablet, how it will look like, and you can see it on phone, how it will look like. You can see it. And let me explain something here. You can see with navigation, with no navigation. I have already explained that. And you can see publish to free domain, publish to a Canva domain, purchase a new domain. Yes, Canva can help you purchase a new domain. If you like, you can go for that. Use my existing domain. I assume like you have an existing domain, you can use Canva to connect your website. Maybe for my own website is alamirashid.com.ng. If I want to connect my domain with Canva, I can just design a website that I love. I hope you understand me, and then connect my domain with Canva and wait for some verifications from Canva, and they will surely approve my website to be in Google search engine. I hope you understand me. That website will be at alamirashid.com.ng instead of this particular Canva free domain. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to use Canva free domain, because using a existing domain, I'm having a website already. So I will do a tutorial also on how to connect your existing domain by using Canva. I hope you understand how to connect your existing domain with the website you design in Canva. You don't need to go into WordPress or HTML to create a website. You can do that in Canva and purchase a domain in Canva and connect your domain with Canva. I hope you understand me, and get your website on the search engine. Okay, so let us just click on free domain and click on continue. You can see I have my already created. This particular template is already created, so it will bear some name. So I need to click on it and remove it. Up, understand? I don't need that particular long name. So this is, let me say, Alamirashid portfolio. So this is it. I just need it like that. So you can see it over there. The way the website will look like sgdb/mycanva.site/alamirashid portfolio. But if you want to change your own, you can go to setting. This particular domain is already created from Canva. I created it for the first time, and when you create it for the first time, you can just have subdomain. I hope you understand me. So you can just input what you want over there. And for this, I can just click on this particular website preview. I can delete it and say Alamirashid. I can just input something like that, graphic designer. Let me just use this, and then I can say I am entrepreneur. Yes, so I will just have that. And for this particular description of the website, I can say my personal portfolio website. Yes, I can just use that, my personal portfolio website. You can just input the description of your website. I'm just trying to show you how to do it also. So if you are done with this, everything is set. So just click on publish. Okay, I forgot to do something. Sorry. Yes, what I forgot to do is just untick this particular place, hide my website from search engine. Please don't leave that often, because if you publish your website, when you upload them on Facebook, Twitter, on other places, they will not surely respond. I understand. So just click on untick this particular hide, and then click on publish. Then you are good to go. After publishing, let us go and test it and see how it will look like. So wait for it for some minutes. It will surely work. So you can see the website is ready. So just click or copy the link of the website and save it somewhere else for your own use or for your own personal use. So let us just view the website and see how it will look like. So don't forget that we are using smartphone to view this particular website. You can see it over there. You can see it. This is really amazing. This is beautiful. This is amazing. You can see it. See it. It is really beautiful and amazing. It is opening. You can see it over there. This is beautiful. This is really amazing. And for the YouTube videos, let me just click on this one to hear it. You can see it is working. Hello and welcome. You can see the YouTube video is working. It is really working. Get in touch. Let me just click on that particular social media handles I input so that you will understand what I see. So just click on this Facebook. It will surely redirect us. Okay, facebook.com is blocked. Okay, let me just click on Instagram. Why is it working? Okay, I made some mistake. I need to input HTTPS before inputting the website. After understanding, you can just input that on your own, but let me just select this one also. Okay, it is not working. Attackers on Canva may trick you into something dangerous. Okay. Okay, I don't know why it's not working right now, but on your own it may be working. Maybe I have some issues when creating this. Up understand me, but I know that this is really working for me. I have done that before. I have created a lot of things, but let us just go over to the send mail. You can see it's not working also here, but you can test it. As I have said earlier, I have tried this thing and this is working. Just get back to the Canva. Let us get back there and make some changes. Where is the website? Okay, just test it and see how it will look like for that particular link. After understanding, then you are good to go. You can see this is really amazing and beautiful. And let us just change over to desktop side and get to look how it will look like. You can see on desktop side how it look. You will surely open it with a laptop for you to get that particular view. As I have said earlier, this is on mobile and you get to have it like on mobile. So this is it on the mobile site. I don't know why this is not working. I don't know why this one is not working. Hello, so welcome back everyone. It is Alameda Shade again. So I have tested everything that we do on Chrome browser. The browser is not allowing me to go into another link, but I test this thing for social media handles on this particular browser, another browser, and it really works. Maybe my Chrome is having some extensions or maybe it's having some privacy. I need to resetting it, but on yours I know it will surely work. But I need to do this video for me to clarify the issues. I understand me. So there is no issue for us on creating this website. You don't have any issue. After creating it, just come over to any browser and you will get to use it. After understanding, the issue is from me. It's from my Chrome browser. It's not from the website we created in Canva. We have some issues. We didn't have any issue in Canva. So you can see, let me just click get in touch. You already know that I input a Facebook page, my Facebook page link. You can see now it is opening. You can see, so this is it. You can see my Facebook account, it is also going there. You can see it over there. My Instagram account is just taking you to that particular account. You can see it over there. And for the LinkedIn, it will surely take you to the LinkedIn. You can see it over there. It is really working. So you don't have any issue. Just create it as I created everything and test it on your browser. Maybe it is my browser having that particular issue. You can see my YouTube channel. You can see everything. So you don't have any issue. You can see it is really working. So you don't have any issue. And for the YouTube videos, you can play them also here. And for the email, you can see if I click send email, it will redirect me to an email. You can see it over there to send an email to that particular mail of mine. So that is it. I think that's all I'm gonna say for this. It is Alameda Shade again. I'm signing out.